straight back and out. Good. Come down nice and strong. Balanced. There you go. That side's good. Good. Try to stay within that box right there, those two lines. Keep everything even. Head?
Yeah, slippery.
Whoa. Too much brain thinking here, huh? Good. There you go. Come on. That's it.